Hello, what's up guys? Marcel here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can manage your tax info on your Google Adsense account. So to do that, you just have to log into your Google Adsense account. And when you are on your Google AdSense account homepage, you should be able to get the notification, this one, and it says here, important, check if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. So we got here manage tax info, learn more, and dismiss. So we click on manage tax info. So provide or update your tax information, your payments profile and country, determine how your taxes are collected. So to get payouts from Google, make sure to provide you. This will take few minutes. Okay, so if you see right here, there's this blue box that says add tax info. So we click on this one. And it's asking my password for this AdSense account. So just enter the password. So it says here, to find the right tax form, please answer a few questions first. The IRS, the U.S. Tax Authority, requires that tax info be reported in letters A to Z or numbers. For accented characters, use the letter only, such as for N, Ye, or for A. Okay, what type of account? Individual. Next is, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? No. And then we click on next. Based on your previously selected answers, a W-8 form is needed. This form is mostly commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So this is what we are going to click. This is what we're going to use. Because the other one is for someone who earns income related to its U.S. trade or business, and we don't have that one. So click on start W-8 band form. So here is the name. Country of citizenship, it's Philippines. So we just find Philippines here. Taxpayer identification number. A taxpayer identification number, or TIN, is a tax processing number required by IRS for some tax forms. Okay, so we're just gonna enter our TIN there. So we click on next, put in my address. So after entering your information there, the identity, address, so we click on next. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? That is yes. Country is Philippines. Special rates and conditions. So we have here, you may be exempt or have taxes withheld at a reduced rate on certain income types earned within the U.S. These reduced rates and exemptions vary among countries and specific income types. Select all that apply to you. You can claim any future income that you may plan to earn from Google products. I put in the country already, so we're just gonna check on the things that apply. So services such as AdSense, and there's Article 8 and Paragraph 1, tapos 0 reduced treaty rate. Reason, we'll just put that one. And then motion picture and TV royalties such as certain YouTube movies, shows, and place partners. So we click on that one, 15%. And then next is other copyright royalties such as play and YouTube partner program. So click on that one and then tick on the thing that apply, 15% here. There you go. So just review. So this thing here for the Philippines, this applies for Philippines, of course. This one thing here must say 0%, 15%, and then 15%. So there you go. So click next. So this is how your document will be generated. Review the 4 PDFs and confirm your information. So let's just review. Everything seems to be alright. So we click on I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So we click on next. So I certify under the okay. I declare that I have examined under this foreign best of knowledge. Okay, just click on this. Read on this one. Okay, the income to so far is not effectively. Okay. So we click on next. So activities and services performed in the US and affidavit. Activities, okay. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identification section performed any activities and services for Google within US? That's no. I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US and that any labor or capital, including facilities or other tools used to provide such services, will be physically located outside the US. So, status change affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments or an existing profile? Or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. So this is second one. I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments because I have received payments already before. Under penalties, or perjury, I declare that information contained here are the same and doesn't change except as provided below. From January 2020 through the present and were true, correct, and complete for that time. To the extent that there were any changes, please detail them here and include dates of relevant changes. So that's optional, so let's just click submit. So there you have it, guys. This is the approved, claimed. So this is what your screen should look like after you have submitted it. Let's see if we have received an email. So I just received an email right away. It says your tax information has been approved. If there are no other holds on your account and your balance is above any minimum payment threshold that may apply, you'll be paid on a timely basis and the right taxes will be withheld if applicable. You can view or confirm your tax information in the Google Payment Center. So that's the end of it. So that's how you do your or manage your tax information on your Google AdSense account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Like this video if you like it, if you learned something from it, share it to your friends if it's something that is useful to them, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet.